Okay, I think we're ready to go. Welcome to chapter 4 of the Find Your People online course. Today we're going to talk all about where to find your people, the actual locations that they will hang out. So to start, I'm going to show you a quick little video clip of a lesson that I've recorded a while ago for the live coaching group that I lead for this program. And I thought, why re-record it if it's already there, if I already created it for them? So enjoy. Hey, Find Your People cohort. I have a quick little exercise that you can do today. And this exercise is from this book, Captivate, The Science of Succeeding with People by Vanessa Van Edwards, who I've met at the World Domination Summit, and I love her book. She has a bunch of courses on body language, human lie detection, and there's one exercise in this book that I would like you to look at. It's part of the social game plan, and the idea is that if you're looking to find your people or make meaningful connections, saying yes to everything will just leave you exhausted because you're going to events where you're wasting a lot of energy, where your people are not at, and you just feel like you're not getting anywhere. So the idea is for every person, there's some locations, like physical locations, where you feel most comfortable making connections, and other places where you feel like you just cannot focus on connecting with people. And this is different for every person. So what I will do, I will post a list of locations, and all you need to do is put them in 2 or 3 categories. Number 1 is the places where you enjoy spending time with other people. So this could be, for me, like restaurants, house parties, coffee shops, dinner parties, conferences, and for somebody else that might be bars and nightclubs and the gym and having phone calls. So find out which are the places that you greatly enjoy spending time with other people, and what are the places that you dislike spending time with people, and those will become your thrive locations, and the other one will become your survive locations. And anything else is kind of neutral, which is in the middle. And you want to figure that out, because if you want to make the most out of the people that you meet and the connections that you're making, you want to be in your best element. And if you like house parties, the chance that somebody else who's a potential for your friend group also likes house parties and will be at a house party is much bigger than expecting to meet them at a bar. I would love for you to just check in with what are maybe your top 3 thrive locations and your top 3 survive locations where you don't feel like you can focus on making connections with people.